Hello again, and welcome back to MarineMax Gulf Shores. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2020 306 Grady-White Canyon. Like all other Grady's, it has a transom fish box, huge for storing any type of fish you want to catch. Nice transom seat. Move up here. Got your live well. Nice prep area. And tackle storage. As we move toward the helm area, you'll see large display area where you can put 17-inch screens, tilt steering, bow thruster, and also captain chairs. As we move toward the front of the boat, we got forward-facing backrests and large ice chests. For a full viewing of this boat and any of our other Grady-Whites, come see me, Dwayne Diggs, at Gulf Shores MarineMax.